My son Benny, who's right behind my shoulder there, he heard the screaming and ran to me in my room. "Mom, someone's screaming to get out." It was all in seconds. We opened the front door and I just remember screaming. I just completely lost it.
The big question was, what do we do? And, things were getting dicier by the moment. We couldn't tell if the water was going to continue to rise. So I said, we need to get out of the house. So I grabbed my wife and we literally jumped in the water, and it swept us down to about 200 feet down that way. And there's a crepe myrtle tree that we grabbed hold of, and we waited for rescue.
Yo sentía que estaba en un sueño. No pensé que fuera verdad. Nunca entendí la gravedad del asunto hasta que lo vimos cuando salimos en los camiones del Army. Fue algo terrible porque hace una semana nosotras estábamos durmiendo en esa sucursal del campamento. Entonces simplemente fue increíble saber que nos movieron del campamento por algo, estábamos en el otro campamento y pues estamos vivas.